Hi, this is Stephen Farino, General Manager of Diamond Northern. I'm here today with Ed Kentz, President of Bender Nawman Tools, to talk about the DBC 16H, which is a rebar bender and cutter in one unit.
Well, thanks, Steve. It's great having you here. Yes, we have been selling rebar cutters and rebar benders for, well, since 1981, a long time. And during our time in selling those, we had a number of customers ask us if we could come up with a tool that would both cut and bend on the job site. We have a lot of tools that are designed to be taken out to the job site, but most of our benders are designed to where you have to bring the rebar to the bender to be bent. But what happens when you have rebar that's in place and you want to bend it? And that oftentimes is the case on footings and other types of installations where you need to bend rebar, and oftentimes you may find that you've got the rebar already coming out of the ground or out of concrete, and you have to make a bend to it. So we designed this product, a DBC 16H, that could both cut and bend rebar. It's built into one unit, and it will bend or cut your number 3, number 4, or number 5 rebar. The tool is designed so it has a center roller so that you can bend rebar up to number 5. And then in the front, there's a cutting block and a piston that moves forward. This is an electric hydraulic tool for doing both the cutting and bending. So to demonstrate this, let's put on some safety glasses. And I'm going to use this number 5 rebar, which is 5/8 in diameter, 5/8 of an inch in diameter. And we're just going to put a 135-degree hook on there. So you can just bend that right around, and then if, say, I was making a stirrup and I needed to put 90-degree bends on it, well, I could do that as well. Now, if I want to cut with this particular tool, you simply turn it to its side, and you'll see the same piston will come out. And it cuts the bar in just a matter of a few seconds. There's a release valve here on the side, so whether you're releasing it from the cutting or you're releasing it from the bending, it's the same release valve. So I don't have to run it all the way back. Say if I'm doing several cuts, then I can just keep doing that. And then, of course, if I'm doing bends, you need it to have it rotate all the way back to its 0 position, and then you can turn it over and do bending.
That's great, Ed.
It's a great tool.
Tell us about the warranty on this tool.
This tool comes with a 1-year warranty. The warranty is for all parts and labor. If anything goes wrong with that tool the first year, we'll fix it for free. Beyond that, we have a service center set up with stock with $250,000 worth of parts for all of our different tools, including the DBC 16H. And we can take good care of you, service your product either here at our Arizona facility or at our facilities throughout the United States and Canada. It's a great little product. It weighs only 40 pounds, can run off of a generator, 115 volts, 10 amps. And for the guy that needs to bend rebar in place, this is a great product. And for anybody that has to cut or bend 4 or 5 on the job site, this is a great tool.
Great. Thanks, Ed. If you want to know more about the DBC 16H or you have questions about other rebar cutters and benders, give us a call at Diamond Northern, 888-660-3154, or just send us an email, info@diamondnorthern.com. I'm Stephen Farino here with Ed Kentz. Thanks for watching.